Today in this video we are going to see about the Indian Contract Act 1872, in which we are going to see the particular topic privity of contract, that is the preliminary to contract. Privity to contract definition we will see, and then state the situations that the rule privity does not apply, privity of contract does not apply. So in some of the cases privity of contract does not apply, that we will see. So first, the definition of privity of contract. Privity of contract means only the parties who have entered into an agreement for executing a contract only can have a say on the contract. Only they can sue against another, and no third party can go against the contract. That is contract in persona. So only the parties who are interested in contract, they only can do, they only can sue, if at all, if there is disagreement between two parties, and cannot confer, that is the privity of contract cannot confer right or to impose obligations arising under it on any other person other than the parties to it. So the obligation is on the persons who have entered, and no other person can have any obligation on it. Suppose but the thing in this, that the rule of privity of contract can also, some of the other parties who are interested in contract can sue the parties who entered the contract. That also we are going to see. That is called exception to the privity of contract, or the rules of privity contract does not apply in some cases. So based on this is the privity of contract is based on interest theory, and then the doctrine of privity contract have certain rules. One is that is between two parties, then parties must be competent to contract. Third thing, there has been the by one party, there has been a breach of contract by one party to another, then only the privity of contract apply. Then only parties to contract can sue each other. Only the parties to the contract can sue each other, and stranger cannot sue. And then the role of consideration is necessary, and third party can sue the insurer. Suppose in the case of insurance, the third party can sue the insurer. That is the policy in between the insurance company and the other, and if the third party is affected, he can also sue the insurer. That is the third party can sue the insurer. These are all the things of privity contract definition, rules for the privity of contract. In some of the cases, the rule does not apply. That is, the privity of contract cannot have a say, cannot applicable in some of the cases. That we are going to see. In case of trust, beneficiary of trust can sue the parties who have contracted. Though the party who gets benefit is not a party to the contract, he can sue the trust. So that is the first rule. In case of trust, beneficiary of the trust can sue by enforcing his right under the trust, even if he is a stranger to contract. So the beneficiary, the trust beneficiary, if affected, then he can enforce his right on the trust. Though he is not a party to the contract or stranger to the contract, he can enforce his rights. So when the case of trust, the privity of contract is not cannot have a say. And then In case of family settlement, suppose in case of family settlement also, the parties other than the contract can sue the parties of the contract. That is, one illustration: Peter promised Nancy's father that he would marry Nancy, else would pay rupees 40,000 as damage. So Peter promised Nancy's father that he would marry Nancy. So the Peter assuring Nancy's father that he would marry Nancy. Otherwise, he would pay rupees 50,000 as damages. So in this case, the affected party can sue the other party, though he is not a party to the contract. Then, in case of certain marriage contracts, in certain marriage contracts, the marriage contract means the contract entered before marriage or after marriage. That may be, if he marries, that I will pay this much amount, or some contracts may happen in case of marriage. So in certain marriage contracts, the privity of contract is not applicable, because the person other than the person who have not entered contract can also sue the contracting parties. That is called certain marriage contracts. In case of assignment of a contract, when the contract is assigned to some other person, though he is not a party to the contract, the assigned party can sue the contracting parties, because if some other problem arises, since it is assigned to other party, he can have a say over the contract. So he can sue the contracting parties. That is, the benefit of contract may be assigned to another party. In this, actually the benefit of assigned to another party to the contract. So that party can sue the contracting parties, if at all, if any problem arises in that. Then acknowledgement of estoppel. A party pays to third party. That is, there may be a contract between A and B, but there may be A has to pay the third party C. Then that is called estoppel. In that case, the C can also sue the A and B. That is, this is called acknowledgement of estoppel. Estoppel means that is based on the assurance of one party, the other party acts, and that is acknowledged by the other party. Then this privity of contract is not applicable. That is, the other party to the estoppel can sue the contracting parties. Then contract entered into through an agent. Usually the contract in between the principal and the other party, since the principal employing an agent, then the contract may be considered as in between agent and the other party. So when the contract entered into through an agent, if the agent is also involved, then this privity of contract is not applicable. The rule is not applicable. So the agent can also have a say in that, because he is acting on behalf of the principal. So the contract entered into through an agent. So this is on these 6 occasions, the privity of contract is not applicable, or the rule does not apply. The rule of only the party who entered in the contract can sue each other, if at all, if there is any disagreement, or if at all, if there is any problem in the contract. So we have explained that 6 points on the rules which cannot be applied. The rule of or the doctrine of privity of contract cannot be applicable, or the rules does not apply. So with this, The privity of contract is yes a subtopic which is important, and privity of contract means only the parties who are entered in the contract can alone sue. The other stranger cannot enforce the obligation. That is privity of contract. Then in some of the cases the privity of contract cannot be, the rule is not applicable. That is on 6 occasions. With this we conclude this video.